Yes. Trigonometric ratios for specific angles. You will say trigonometric ratios for specific angles. Now, the specific angles we are taking as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Now, we have studied trigonometric ratio, that is sine, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Now, when I say theta is 0, so you have to find out sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cosec 0, cot 0 this type. For one angle, 0 degree, you have to find out all. 30 degree, sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, cosec 30, sec 30, cot 30. This is how you have to find out. Sin 30, cos 30 and all. If I say 45 degree, then you will say sin 45 degree, cos 45 degree, tan 45 degree, cosec 45 degree, sec 60 degree and cot. Now to learn these values, I am explaining the method how to learn the values. Now what is important you remember, that is, now when I say make this column, simple column, only we have, that is 45 degree, is 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree. Now when I say 45, that is 45 degree I am taking as in the center. You have seen the scissor have a screw. One way, two parts are movable. One part is effort and another is the load. When you cut a piece of paper or cloth or whatever you want to cut, what you have seen that thus when you are moving the scissor, one nut is there between the two plates. So that is known as the fulcrum. That is, here we say 45 degree is the fixed point. Now 30 is on your left and 60 is on your right. So what I used to say generally, that is 45 value is fixed, so 1/2 is fixed, and 30 is 1/2, and after that 3/2. So 30 degree if I talk about, so the value which I have written here, it is for sine. If I say sine 45, that is 45 is 1 by in middle, and middle is what, 1/√2. Most probability 45, 60, 30 value is needed to solve the question. So that is very important. So you have to remember that. After that, sine 45 degree 1/√2, sine 30 1/2, sine 60 √3/2. Wait 1 minute.
Yes. Today we're watching.
So, Sarthak,
Dave sent me this, brother.
mute yourself. You have any problem is there, you could leave, or I can remove you. Yes, sine theta, cos theta, tan. So when I say 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree is 1/√2. So this is the value. If I say cosec 45, so what is in your mind is, sir, cosec 45 is what? Sine, reciprocal of sine theta. So sine 45 is 1/√2. So cosec 45 will be what? √2. Understood? So if I say cosec 30, You know sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. Reciprocal of sin 30 is what? 2. So if I say sin 60 is root 3 by 2. If I ask you cosec 60, cosec 60. So cosec 60 is what? That is sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Reciprocal of sin 30 is sin 60 is what? 2 by root 3. So this is how, if you know the value of sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, you will be able to write the value of cosec. It is only the idea I am giving. The full table I have not given. You can, after that, we have cos. When we talk cos means cross your hand. The values will be like this. In my right hand, I have chalk. When I and left hand is no thing is there. So if I say cos means cross. The middle value will remain as it is. So if I say cos 30, so you will say this will come this side. That is root 3 by 2. And cos 30 is what? 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 45 is 6. Now when you know this, that is cos 45 is 6. 1 by root 2. So cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. This is how you will be able to get the value of cos. Now when you know the sin theta and cos theta, the simple thing is that tan theta. For tan theta, what I have made, that is tan 45 is 1, and here it is 1 by root 3 and root 3. So this is the value. Tan 30. When I say about tan 30, this is for sin theta and this is for tan. If you know, now tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 60, root 3, tan 45, 1 by 1. If I say cot 30, reciprocal of tan is what? Cot 30 will be root 3. Cot 60, that is tan 60 is root 3. So cot 60 will be that is 1 by root 3. This is how you can find the values of 30, 45 degree. 0 degree and 90 degree. That is, if I talk about 0 degree, 0 degree is like this. 0 degree and I will, this is 90 degree. So it is very easy to learn. 0 degree, that is 0 and 1. If you know, then you will get the benefit of that. So this is for sine. Now 10, when we talk about 10, that is, it is not defined, and is not defined, and this is 0. So this is for 10. Now this is simple table what I have explained. This is just to recall the values. Instead of making the full table, you can have the idea of this. When I say cos, most probably the value needed is what? 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Only these values is needed. 0 degree and 90 degree is sometimes it is used. So what is not defined? That is 1 upon 0. Any number divided by 0. But here 1 upon 1 and 0 is not there. So 1 upon 0 is not defined. If I say 0 upon 1, then you will say 0. That is 1 upon 0 is not defined. So you will say that is ND. 0 upon 1, when I say then it is 0. So reciprocal, when we reciprocate, that is not defined, you will get 0. And when you reciprocate 0, that is 1 upon 0, you will get that is not defined. So these are the values. But now in exam, very important thing is that they can ask sin 60, prove sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So if this type of proof as there in the question, find the value of sin 60. Prove sin 60 is root 3 by 2. If I say sin 60 root 3 by 2 or cos 30, cos 30 is also what? Root 3 by 2. I can prove this too by one. So 60 degree and 30 degree. If I say 60 degree, that is it. What is needed is what equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, you will get 60 degree. If I say 45 degree, then you will say isosceles right angle triangle is needed. But in equilateral triangle, right angle is not there. So you have to draw a perpendicular line. So that is now. So solution what you will write? Let consider ABC as an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So ABC is the equilateral triangle ABC. Now here all sides are equal. Now you have to draw perpendicular line. This perpendicular line. So when you are drawing this perpendicular line D, so it will become like A by 2 here and A by 2. This angle you know 60 degree. This you know 60 degree. You can find the, you can say that sir, this is 30 degree. 30 degree and this is 30 degree. After that, now so draw AD perpendicular to BC. That AB equal to BC equal to AC as AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. So therefore BD equal to BC equal to A upon 2. Now AD bisects angle A. Therefore angle BAD equal to angle CAD equal to 30 degree. After that, in right angle triangle, ADB by Pythagoras AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. AB is what? A square. AD BD A by 2 whole square. So you will get A square minus A square by 4 equal to AD square. 4 A square minus A square, that is AD square. So you will get 3A square by 4 equal to AD square, or AD equal to root 3 by 2A. AD is root 3 by 2A. This is AD is root 3 by 2. Now you have to find out 60 degree. Now this triangle sine 60 degree is what? P upon H. So you will say P is what? AD upon H, that is AD sine 60 degree. AD is what? Root 3 by 2 A upon A. This A and this A cancel. So you will say sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Answer. Any problem in this? Now I want 30 degree. cos 30 degree, that is base upon hypotenuse. This is 30 degree. Base is what? AD, hypotenuse AB. Again, because now AD is what? Root 3 by 2 A upon AB is A. So this cancel. So cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 answer. This is how you can, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this is the how you can find out. So one question may be there of this type. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now after this we need 45 degree. Now for 45 degree angle, you can see the video on, I am uploading this video, and on previously it is uploaded. You can see that. So when I say prove sin 45, or it is said geometrically prove sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Sometimes they ask like this question, solution. Consider an isosceles right angle triangle. So ABC, consider an isosceles right angle triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, AB equal to BC. So this and this is equal, that AB equal to BC equal to A. This is A. Angle A equal to angle C equal to 45 degree. You know that these two angles are equal. So x plus 90 equal to 180 degree. Now by Pythagoras, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. A square plus A square equal to AC square. AC square 2A square. AC equal to root 2 A square. AC equal to root 2A. So AC is what? Root 2A. Now you have to find out sin 45. Sin 45 degree. That is perpendicular for base. Sorry, perpendicular for hypotenuse. Sin 45, or you can do that sin C. And in last step you write so that you can know which angle we have considered. We are writing sin C. So sin C is what? 45 degree. P is what? AB, and hypotenuse is AC. So you will say sin 45 degree. AB is what? A. AC is what? Root 2A. This cancel. Sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. This is how you have to do the question. Sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. So these values you can calculate now. Okay, beta, thank you.